Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today we got another Koala crate from KiwiCo. This is our number 11 out of 12 for our whole year subscription. And this one is called the mail delivery. Right after I unbox it, I will show you how you can get the subscription on a hefty discount. But if you already seen our previous videos, then you can skip ahead using the timestamp. So anyway, let's get this started. Alright, Discover magazine. This is always a good read for the parents. Mail delivery. So this is the instruction on how you can play with this with your kid. Okay, this look like letters, envelopes. Oh, looks like mailbag. Crayons. Kaylin's special delivery. My kid always loved this Kaylin's adventure books. A scissor, interesting. And I'm not quite sure what this is, but it looks like you can use the scissor to cut the card off. We will find out what it does in a little bit. Let's see what else is here. Not entirely sure what this does, but we're gonna find out as well. Looks like you can color. Yeah, looks like something that you can color with. Alright, here are all the stuff inside the box, and let me read up the instruction to see how to play with my kid. Alright, so this video is not sponsored by KiwiCo, although it's not sponsored by them, but I do have a referral code for anyone who sign up for KiwiCo and get $10 off their first purchase. So this is one of the way that you can save more is use the referral code. I'll put the code down in the description below so you can go check it out. Now another way that you can save is by having an extension that install onto your browser. Now I have Rakuten, I have Honey, and I also have the American Advantage. Now, what I have found that all three of them has some sort of either discount or cashback. The one that gives you the most is Rakuten with a 7.5% cashback. Now for Rakuten, I'll also put the referral code down in the description. So if you use it, you will actually get a $30 cashback when you first sign up. Yeah, it's a great way to save more if you shop a lot online to use Rakuten. Now Honey on the other hand, it doesn't give all that much, it's 1% to 3%. So it's quite low compared to Rakuten. And the American Advantage, this one gives you airline miles. Now for this one, you get 7 miles per dollar that you spend. The cashback system is a little bit better than the getting miles, especially for those of you that doesn't fly. If you do fly, then maybe American Advantage is a better deal. Alright, so this month's Koala crate is mainly focusing on the hand and eye coordination. So the first gameplay that they have is called the special delivery. Basically, they have 3 different color of envelope where you can pretty much put anything you want in there. And they also provide you with crayon. You can write the name on the front of the envelope, who the recipient is supposed to be. Once you have put something in the felt envelopes, you can put it inside the mail bag and have your kid to pretend play to deliver those letters to whoever the recipient intended to be. Second gameplay is called Cut, Fold, and Trace. This is quite interesting. They provide you with a bunch of activity sheets. Some of the sheets where you can see there are dash lines on there. You can help your kid to trace the dash line with the provided crayons. And this will help with the hand-eye coordination. And there are some sheets where you can fold through the solid lines on the activity sheets, and such as the cat, where you can, once you fold it up, it looks like the cat cover its face with its hands. But once you open it up, the cat has the hands open and eyes open. So it's kind of fun to engage the kid. There's one sheet that's a house where you can cut through the door and you can open up the door and close the door where you can see Kaylin is playing inside. I especially like the scissors that they provided. There is no pointy end on the scissor. Even though it can cut through paper, there is no metal part on the scissor. It's fully made out of plastic. So it's very child-friendly and safe to use for the kids. Now, once you have done all that, some of the activity sheets can be folded up like a greeting card. So you can also put that into the paper envelopes that they provided. and also put inside the mail bag and have the kid to pretend play to deliver all this letter to the family members or siblings. So this is the gameplay for this month's Koala Crate, the mail delivery. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.